Meaning of inaudibility.
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 Inaudibility. Inaudibility refers to the inability to hear a sound or a range of sounds due to various reasons, such as distance, volume level, frequency range, or physical barriers. When a sound or speech signal is inaudible, it cannot be detected or understood by the human ear or audio devices. Inaudibility can cause communication problems, privacy concerns, and technical challenges in audio engineering and forensic analysis. It can also be intentionally used as a stealthy or secret communication method, for example, by encoding messages as ultrasonic signals that are inaudible to humans but detectable by specialized devices.